Okay, this is the 1967 Sachs 280A engine. It has recently been rebuilt. There are some minor cosmetic defects in it. I did not take the time to do that. I figured if somebody planned on restoring something with a Sachs 280A, they could take care of that themselves. But what I did take care of was this. Now the carburetor nor the muffler comes with this engine, but I wanted to demonstrate that this is a very good running engine. It has a brand new bearing, all new gaskets, and the engine seals. Okay, I'm going to shut her down now. There is not much of a wiring harness left, but there's not much of a wiring harness left, but there are the ignition stop wire and the lighting wire hanging out of there. That is the best I could do with what I had. I got this motor out of a junkyard, so it was in a donor Arctic Cat, and I know that this engine was not in any Arctic Cats.